Hello students, hope you all are doing fine. Today in this tutorial we will be doing the practical. As you know, we were doing the chapter Fun with Magnets. So one practical is there related to that you have to note down in your practical file. So the aim of the practical is to study attractive and directive property of the magnet. You know, we did two properties, major properties of the magnet, that is attractive property and directive property of the magnet, right? Today we have to show what is attractive property and what is directive property. So for that, few things we require, that is magnet, pin, key, eraser, wood, a plastic toy and a thread, right? So both the properties we will be doing in one experiment, right? So what will be the procedure? For that, first of all, as he is saying that we have to see attractive property first. So for that we have things, a magnet. I am having a piece of magnet. Then he is saying a pin. I am having a pin in my hand. Look, this is a pin. I think you are able to see. Then I have a eraser, then I have a toy, then I have key and a piece of wood also. I think you all are able to see it. We will be doing it one by one. Now what we have to do? Students, in the procedure, you have to take all these things one by one. Like, take a piece of magnet in your hand, right? Now bring pin closer to the magnet. It will get attracted to the piece of magnet, right? Then bring a piece of wood near the magnet. Will it get attracted? No, it will not get attracted, right? It is falling down. Now I am going to bring this key near the magnet. Look, look. It is getting attracted. This, look, it is also getting attracted, right? Then I am bringing eraser near it. Is it getting attracted? No, it is also not getting attracted. So all these observations we have to note down. Now what we will be writing in the procedure? Take all the things one by one, bring close to the magnet and note down the observations, whether they are getting attracted to the magnet or not. So what will be the observation part? This was for first, attractive. Similarly, for the observation of first, what you have to do? Draw a table. Here you will write serial number accordingly. Then material, yeah, object. Then next, yes या no, or you can write attracted, not attracted, right? What you have to do? 1, 2, 3, 4. First thing you took was pin, second was eraser, piece of wood, then keys, right? Then a toy, any plastic toy you can take. Excuse me. Here you can see I am taking this toy, right? It is also not getting attracted. Look, right? So what will be the observation? Pin, it was attracted? Yes. Right? Eraser, did it get attracted? No. Wood, no. Right? Keys, keys get attracted. Right? Then toy, toy also did not get attracted. So this will be your observation. So what will be your conclusion? Conclusion of number 1. As we are doing the first property first, So we will be writing number 1. So the conclusion will be that magnet attracts certain materials towards it while certain materials are not attracted. Right? So this is known as the attractive property. What is attractive property? That magnet has a capability to attract certain kind of materials like iron, okay, cobalt and nickel. So this was the first part. First property we have explained. Now what about the second property, that is directive? What you have to do? After writing the first observation, first procedure, second you have to do, take a thread, tie it with a piece of magnet and suspend it. Right? Now rotate the thread. After some time, let the magnet rest. When the magnet rests, in which direction it will point? It will point towards north-south direction. So the procedure will be, take a thread, tie it with a magnet, a piece of magnet, a bar magnet you can take. Then rotate the thread. Now bring the magnet or thread to the rest. What will be the observation? Now observation. First so you had done. Second observation will be, second will be of directive property. That magnet will point towards north-south direction. Magnet will point towards north-south direction. You can repeat this process 2 to 3 times. Right? You can repeat it one more time or 2 more times. Again you will observe that the magnet will point towards the same direction. So after this conclusion part, you have to write the conclusion. After first conclusion, you have to write second conclusion. Which conclusion it will be? It will be that magnet always point towards north-south direction. Right? This is the directive property of the magnet, that it tells us the direction. To which direction it points? It always points towards north and south direction. Now coming to, it was all about the ruled page. Now coming to the plain page. In the plain page, in the same way, you have to write the aim and things required as they are written in the ruled page. Right? After this, you have to write the observation table. Observation table that we had done earlier. Right? Like this you have to make, that you had done previously. This was for first one, to show the attractive property. Now for directive property, there is a diagram that you can draw. The diagram will be, take a piece of thread, long thread, tie it with a piece of bar magnet. Now you can suspend the thread here. Right? It can move. This is north, this is south. Means it is pointing towards north-south direction. Is that clear? This was the directive property of the magnet. Now hope this is clear to all. How to do, what to do. You can try the same experiment at your home. Do it in your practical files. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Stay safe.